Good morning everybody and welcome to another Tool Talk review. My name's James, I'm your friendly neighbourhood electrician, and today I'm going to be reviewing some wonderful pro fit hole saws that have been kindly sent to me by Tool Talk. Cheers guys. And right, start off, these things are ace. I use the standard multi-teeth, multi-purpose hole saws and I'll be switching to these. It's like a hot knife through butter. So these set that you get from Tool Talk are the ProFit starter set, which you get a 25mm bit, a 20mm bit, and the guide attacher. So easy to use, straight in, click in, locked into place. It's strong. Easy quick release, easy to clean the hole saw out, depending on what you're cutting, wood, plastic, things like that. And I've already recommended these to the guys on site to swap. I've mainly been using them for cutting out holes in kitchen cupboards to pull wires through. So much easier than using a standard auger bit or a spade bit. They're brilliant. So I've got a scaffold board, open to kitchen, cut through it like a hot knife through butter. Easy to clean out, straight out. Give it a little clean, easy as that. It cuts through stuff really easily. Kitchen cupboard, flew through it. ProFit, great bit of kit. It's brilliant. So cheers guys for sending them out to me. This is my go-to hole saw now, so cheers. I recommend this to anybody. Have a cracking day guys. Talk to you later.